Welcome to the realm of artificial intelligence. This isn't a storyline from a sci-fi movie, but a reality we're living in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, mirrors human intelligence, learning, adapting, and even making decisions. It's transforming various sectors, from healthcare to transportation, making our lives more efficient. As we dive deeper, we will discover how AI can significantly reduce our cost of living. Artificial intelligence has already infiltrated our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. It's like an invisible hand, guiding, assisting, and making our lives easier in ways we couldn't have imagined even a few decades ago. Let's start with online shopping. Ever wonder how your favorite e-commerce platform seems to know exactly what you need? That's AI at work, sifting through mountains of data to provide personalized recommendations tailored to your preferences. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your taste better than you do. Moving on to our homes, they're getting smarter every day. AI-powered thermostats learn our routines, adjusting the temperature to our liking, saving energy and reducing our carbon footprint. Our refrigerators can now suggest recipes based on what's inside and even reorder groceries when we're running low. It's as if our homes are starting to take care of us. Then there's the personal virtual assistant in our pockets. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. They're more than just voice-activated search engines. They can remind us of appointments, play our favorite music, and even tell jokes when we're feeling down. They're our personal organizers, DJs, and comedians, all rolled into one. AI is also revolutionizing our commutes. Think about navigation apps. They use AI to analyze traffic data in real time, suggesting the fastest routes and saving us precious time. Self-driving cars, though still in their infancy, promise to make our roads safer and our journeys more relaxing. But it's not just about convenience. AI is helping us make better decisions too. Financial apps use AI to analyze spending patterns and offer personalized savings advice. Fitness apps use AI to customize workout plans and diet recommendations. It's like having a personal coach who's always there, helping us reach our goals. These conveniences are just the tip of the iceberg. Let's explore how AI can further impact our wallets. Imagine a world where your home manages its own energy use, saving you money without sacrificing comfort. This isn't a scene from a science fiction novel. It's the reality we're moving towards, thanks to artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword. It's a tool that can optimize energy use, leading to significant cost savings. Let's delve into how it works. In homes and businesses, AI can manage energy consumption in real time. It learns the patterns of use, understands when demand peaks, and shifts the use of energy to off-peak times. This isn't about turning off your lights or air conditioning. It's about intelligent adjustments that you wouldn't even notice. The result? Lower energy bills without compromising on your comfort or convenience. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also predict your energy needs. It can look at weather forecasts and know that you'll need more heat on a cold day or more cooling on a hot one. It can even adjust your solar panels to get the maximum energy from the sun. Now let's talk about businesses. They have larger energy footprints and thus potential for bigger savings. AI can optimize their energy consumption too. It can manage the complex energy needs of factories, warehouses, and office buildings. Whether it's adjusting the temperature, controlling the lighting, or managing the machinery, AI can make it all more energy efficient. That means lower operational costs for businesses and less strain on our planet. AI is also playing a crucial role in the development of smart grids. These grids use AI to balance the supply and demand of electricity, reducing waste and making our energy systems more efficient and resilient. And here's the best part. All these savings from energy efficiency don't just translate into lower utility bills. They also mean a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. So we're not just saving money, we're also contributing to a healthier planet. But saving on utility bills is just one aspect. AI has the potential to revolutionize our approach to healthcare as well. Healthcare is a significant part of our expenses, but AI can make it more affordable and efficient. Imagine a world where technology takes the lead in healthcare, a world where artificial intelligence, or AI as we commonly know it, plays a crucial role in managing our health. This is not a far-off future. It's happening right now. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, from streamlining processes to improving patient outcomes, and most importantly, reducing costs. Let's delve into how. Firstly, AI can streamline diagnosis. Traditional methods often involve multiple tests, long waiting periods, and sometimes even the risk of human error. However, AI can analyze complex medical data quickly and accurately. It can identify patterns that might be missed by the human eye, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. This not only saves time and resources, but also can catch diseases in their early stages, which can be life-saving. Secondly, AI can aid in treatment. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of research and patient data, assisting doctors in devising personalized treatment plans. This means patients receive the most effective treatment based on their unique profiles, reducing the trial and error process, and consequently, the costs. AI also plays a role in patient monitoring and care. Remote patient monitoring systems powered by AI can track patients' health in real time and alert healthcare providers when intervention is needed. This reduces unnecessary hospital visits and admissions, which are a major driver of healthcare costs. Lastly, AI can automate administrative tasks such as appointment scheduling or billing, freeing up valuable time for healthcare professionals to focus on patient care. This not only improves efficiency, but also reduces costs. AI is transforming healthcare, making it more efficient, personalized, and affordable. It's creating a world where quality healthcare is not a privilege, but a right accessible to all. As we've seen, AI can help us save on energy and healthcare. But what about our day-to-day expenses? From grocery shopping to commuting, AI has the potential to make everyday tasks more cost-effective. Let's think about this for a moment. Every day, we perform countless tasks that involve spending money. Whether it's buying groceries, paying for a ride, or even ordering a meal online, our daily routines often involve transactions. But what if we could make these tasks more efficient and less costly? This is where AI comes into play. In the world of logistics, AI is already making waves. It's optimizing routes to save on fuel costs and reduce carbon emissions. For instance, imagine a delivery truck that uses AI to calculate the most efficient route. It takes into account traffic conditions, roadworks, and even weather forecasts to ensure that the journey is as cost-effective as possible. The result? Reduced fuel costs, less time on the road, and more savings for the company and, ultimately, the consumer. But the potential of AI doesn't stop at route optimization. It's also revolutionizing the retail industry with personalized discounts. Have you ever received a discount code for a product you've been eyeing? That's AI at work. Using data about your shopping habits, AI can predict what products you might be interested in and offer discounts tailored specifically to you. This not only encourages customer loyalty, but also allows retailers to manage their inventory more efficiently, leading to further cost savings. AI is even transforming the way we manage our personal finances. There are AI-powered apps that analyze your spending habits and offer advice on how to save money. They can even automate savings for you, taking a small amount from your account every day and putting it into a savings account. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. In essence, AI is not just about futuristic robots and high-tech gadgets. It's about making our everyday lives more efficient, more cost-effective, and ultimately, more enjoyable. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the opportunities for cost savings. Artificial intelligence, once a concept of science fiction, is now a reality with the potential to transform our lives financially. In the course of our journey, we've seen how this revolutionary technology permeates our daily existence, making it more efficient, cost-effective, and streamlined. This isn't just about machines learning to think and act like us. It's about harnessing that power to make living more affordable. Imagine a world where energy consumption is optimized, where AI systems intelligently manage our resources, reducing waste and lowering costs. This isn't a distant future, but a reality we're stepping into. Every kilowatt saved is a step towards a more sustainable and economical tomorrow. In the realm of healthcare, AI is an ally, an invaluable assistant that helps detect issues early, saving not just lives, but also the high costs associated with late-stage treatments. It's about preventive care, about catching a problem in the bud before it blossoms into a financial nightmare. And then, there are the countless everyday savings. AI's smart shopping assistants helping us get the best deals, personalized budgeting tools keeping our finances in check, autonomous vehicles reducing commuting costs. The list goes on. As we close, let's remember that embracing AI isn't about welcoming robots into our homes. It's about ushering in a new era of financial freedom, where living costs are driven down by smart, efficient systems.
As we conclude our journey today at AI Future Hub, remember that you've stepped into the future where artificial intelligence shapes possibilities. Hope you've benefited from our cutting-edge content. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Show your support by hitting that like button. Share our videos and spread the future. Don't miss your chance to be with us again on this journey by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.